Dollar Tree, Floral Garden, Faux Plant Redo, MsSassyPat. Look at the prices of these plants. I'm going to the dollar store. Let's get started. My lavender plant, the terracotta pots, and my mini faux succulents, and some Spanish moss. So I'm taking the terracotta pot and I'm going to spray paint it. This is an optional step. And then I'm going to spray the rim. Then I'm going to take the lavender plant and take it out the pot. And I'm going to spray paint that as well. And this is also an optional step. And this is what it looks like. So I'm going to take one of the terracotta pots so it needs to be lifted up a little, so I'm going to take some of the moss and put it in the bottom of the terracotta pot just to give the plant some uplift, and I think it looks pretty good. Now I'll take some more of the moss and put it around the plant. And it looks so cute. Wow, doesn't that look like a real plant? So I'm going to redo the first one that I did because I initially put paper towels in the bottom and I didn't like the look. So I'm going to use some more of the moss in the bottom, and then I'll place the plant on top. And I like this a whole lot better. So now I'm going to do the lavender plant, so just put the plant back in the pot. Then I'll put some moss around it, and I just think that this just makes this faux plant look real. You don't have to add the moss if you don't want. So I'm going to clean up. And this is what the plants are looking like. They're so cute. The reveal. So I'm going to place these on my patio to spruce it up a little bit. So I'm using these coasters. So I'm going to place the plants on my table. You don't have to spend a lot of money to brighten up a space. These look so believable, and the best part is I don't have to order them. How cute are these? I love them. Definitely cheaper than Amazon. I spent $6, lavender plant for $2, the terracotta pot $1, the mini succulents $2, and the Spanish moss was $1.
Oh, MsSassyPat. Wow. Jamaica hair look good, Jamaica bright, dressing nice, alright. She got your life, alright. Maybe you should tell me. Maybe